All right, my love. Don't. You're going to fall off the edge. Move over, baby. Move in the middle of the chair. You're almost falling. Good girl. All right, baby. I won't. Oh, now you put your shirt on, the black shirt. There you go. Here, put this on now. Do you need help? Oh, you're so big. Yeah. You are a big girl.
Look, I did it.
I see.
Now look.
Okay. Nope, you missed your arm.
Don't look.
Okay. Uh-oh, time out. Let me just... No, it's all backwards. It got stuck.
No one knew that.
It's all twisted.